Alright guys, so in this video we will be taking a look at a DeFi protocol which is on top of Binance Smart Chain. Now, the only special thing, guys, what is different about this protocol right here is the fact that we are dealing with stablecoin pools, right? Now, when the markets are going to get into extremely choppy environments where they're completely directionless, where nobody knows what kind of direction is Ethereum or BTC is going to pick up in the coming days, as well as when the market is completely undecided, guys, this is when you want to situate your ass into something stable. This is when you want to stay basically in stable coins, guys, because look, market is not decided and it is going to hurt you financially if you try to pinpoint these moves to the upside or the downside. It's not decided, right? Could pick up any direction from here. Bitcoin could just simply dump below. Ethereum could simply move to the upside, right? Anything would happen. Now, in these uncertain times, you still want to, let's just say you still want to yield something, you still want to have some cash flow, right? Cash flow is the word. This is where you would want to talk about some stable coin staking. Now, there must be a lot of protocols out there which are completely dealing with stablecoin pools and stablecoin staking, and they must be giving some good APY. But guys, for me personally, the ease of access, the ease of use, and the speed, it just, everything is perfectly balanced on Nerve Finance, guys. Nerve Finance, NRV. Now, we are dealing with a max supply at 100 million, right? And your current circulating supply is not even 30 million, right? You do have a supply shortage for a protocol, which is pretty useful, which is pretty damn useful, because you are yielding your, let's just say, APY in stable coins, and you are, guys, you do not have any, let's just say, any worry about the fact that, all right, if I'm staking Ethereum or if I'm staking Binance BNB coin as well, I do have a potential downside. If Ethereum or Binance, they dump against the market, they dump against the USD pair itself, I would certainly have a downside risk. Whereas if I'm simply going ahead and I'm staking my stable coins, guys, the chances for a downside is pretty slim, to be honest with you. I guess there is no downside. Let's be honest, right? Okay. Now, the only thing that you're going to be missing out on is the potential upside. That's it. Alright, guys, but that does not mean you're going to be completely exposed into stable coins and then you're going to be staking. You can simply stake a chunk of your stable coins and put that thing for some passive revenue on a constant basis, on a cash flow basis, guys. You want to get that cash flow happening even in the bear market, even in the choppy, in a llama market, when the market is directionless completely, right? So, guys, the tokenomics here are looking completely fine, and the market capital is nothing for Nerve Finance right now, guys. This is still a sub 100 million asset, and the ranking, I guess the ranking, all right, where's the ranking for this asset right here? Yeah, market capital rank at 363. So this is still far away from top 100. Most likely Nerve will get into top 100, guys, as the demand for stablecoin pools, they are going to keep on increasing. This one will pick up, right? Currently trading at $3.34. Now, let's jump on the website itself, guys. Now, you can simply bridge your Ethereum blockchain, your Binance blockchain as well, and you can simply swap your, let's just say, if you have USDT on Ethereum, right, you can simply swap that into BSC chain, and then you can convert that into, let's just say, BUSD, and then you can start staking your BUSD, right? So which calls for a fact that you practically have nothing to, okay, using the word nothing is not going to be really helpful. Let's just say practically you do not have anything in terms of paying the fees if you compare that with your Ethereum blockchain itself, guys. This is why you can bridge any assets and you can yield anything. Basically, you can do anything from this one, right? Now, here's the entire summary. You can do anything on Nerve Finance. Am I completely going bolt out on Nerve Finance? Probably not. But the things, the stablecoin pools, which I'm talking about right here, guys. Now, this pool right here, the stablecoin 3 pool, is yielding about 100% returns on your stable coins, man. Just check this out. This is crazy. I don't know until when it's gonna last. Look, just make use of it until it lasts. This is what I'm gonna say. Just make use of it until this one is actually gonna be giving you 98% APY for your freaking stable coins, right? This is crazy right here. For BTC as well, you're getting a APY of 51%, just putting in your BTC, guys. Even for Ethereum, almost at 50%. So crazy pools at Nerve Finance right here. Something is up with them. Until these APY figures are lasting, you could make use of it. Until then, you could just, guys, let's just say it's free passive income. Now, this is not a financial advice. If anything goes wrong, if Nerve Finance goes to shit, if they are an exit scam or something like that down the line, guys, nobody's going to be responsible. They are going to be responsible, but most likely they'll escape. So this is why doing your own due diligence and checking out their Discord and Telegram and documents and everything is also important before putting your money into anything, right? Guys, these things have to be taken care of by you personally. Don't skip out on these one. I'm a random stranger sitting on sitting behind a camera right here, talking to you guys, having a one-sided conversation. This is why, guys, go for your own due diligence. But what I can see personally from this entire protocol right here is that it's pretty useful as of the current times. Market is perfectly getting into a choppy situation right here. You want to stay into something stable coin and yield, guys, and enjoy your yield without any downside pressure onto your assets. Right now, this is crazy. Until this happens, you got to make use of it. You can stake as well, guys. Now, this is NRV BUSD pool giving you a holy crap, man. I don't even like to see these numbers, because this is crazy, man. This is crazy. 1500% APY for staking NRV and BUSD in your Cake LP pool. Okay. These numbers are unreal, but until they're working, it's completely fine. Just make use of it, right? It's completely fine, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you want tutorials to how to really stake anything on anywhere. Like, guys, I thought of making videos on Uniswap, on SushiSwap, on PancakeSwap. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see that, if you want to see how to stake your assets and how to get that liquidity going on and how to earn some passive income. I'm just sitting here assuming that you guys know how to make these things work, guys. I'm just assuming you know how to connect your wallet, how to process that, how to get through all of that MetaMask thing step by step, and then set your wallet address up on the BSC chain, and then put your assets right there, and then go for that stablecoin yield. I'm just assuming that you know that, right? That is why I am just bringing about this protocol right here. But let me know if you want a step-by-step comprehensive tutorial as to how to do these things, guys. Let me know that, right? Okay, you can stave your nerve, you can stave basically your rewards. What am I saying? Your rewards out of this entire staking pool is going to be coming out in NRV, right? And that is where you can simply go ahead and stake your Nerve tokens right here, guys. And you can yield. You can simply claim as well. So a lot of things going on as well. A lot of things happening in this entire ecosystem right here, guys. Just make use of it until this one works. When it goes down to shit, probably get back into BTC or something like that, and just sit and relax, guys, right? Alright, do we have anything else in this video? No, probably not. Alright, guys, check this one out. Go and do your own due diligence. And if you find some abnormality, and if you see some kind of, let's just say if you see some lackluster behavior in the kind of information that I'm providing to you guys, let me know that as well. Guys, I'm a human being. I can be wrong as well on certain times, on certain key levels as well, in terms of technical analysis as well, guys. Nobody is perfect, right? I could be wrong in terms of determining how fundamentally bullish Nerve Finance is, guys. This is crazy. Just trust me, this is madness. All the things which I'm seeing right here, all the facts and the figures which are presenting themselves at Nerve Finance are just madness. So let me know down in the comments if you know about some abnormalities or something like that down in the comments, right? Okay, guys, I will wind up this video right here, and I will catch you guys on the next one pretty soon. Bye for now.